I'm going to explain data science life cycle in this video. I think it's important that you understand various stages of data projects. Any data endeavor always starts with identifying the right business problem. The first step is identifying business problem, which is important. This problem is identified as a function of context and the domain setting. Then the next stage is what is called data mining. Essentially, you are going to extract data that is relevant to understand this problem even more. So data will not be neat and tidy, and therefore you have to do a lot of data preparation or data cleaning. We call that as data munging. So that is the next logical step. Subsequently, you have to explore the data. We call that EDA for short, stands for exploratory data analysis, where you will use a lot of summary statistics and visual analytics to explore the data to understand even more. Then the next logical step is what is called feature engineering. Feature engineering. So this step is very, very important. I'll explain why in this video. This step leads to hypothesis formulation. Hypothesis formulation. And the subsequent step would be to test this hypothesis by building what are called predictive models. Predictive model. In the larger scheme of things, you test this model iteratively and improve the performance of the model, and you deploy into production environment. So this step is iterative. And this step will continue. If you are someone who is looking to make career transition into data science roles and want to understand each and every stage, starting from identification of the business problem all the way up to building predictive models and deployment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Data Science Galaxy, for practitioners' perspective and the applied knowledge. So remember, this cycle is very key to start with any transformative journey by identifying the right business problem and deploying the right solutions for intended consequences, impact, and value. Hope you found this video useful. If so, please give it a like and share it with your community, data community in particular, and stay tuned for more. Happy learning.